The beginning of this past year, I decided that I couldn't do it. I was not going to run my course, which made up like half of my income. And so after planning a wedding, knowing I was getting married, I moved twice, my life was just so crazy. I said, I have to come up with a way to more passively make, at least I was hoping like $50,000 to $60,000 to make up for what I wasn't gonna be making in course sales. I said, okay, well, if that's gonna be the case, then I need to come up with like a super strategic plan to be able to do this. And so today, I'm gonna break down with you what that plan was and how you can do it too, because let me tell you, my income has never been so passive. It was crazy. Okay, let's dish all the things. First, I had to come up with the plan. By the way, if you didn't know, I am a lefty. I'm also 5'3". People think that I'm taller than I am. So those are just a little two fun facts for you. Okay, I don't know why I shared that, but whenever I meet people off of YouTube, I'm always like, you're shorter than I thought you were. That's definitely the case for me. Part one of this plan is the extremely strategic affiliate marketing plan. If you don't know, affiliate marketing is when you promote a business's service or product, and then if your followers use that link, then you make a commission of the sale. It can range anywhere from 5% to up to 50 and even more percent. Now, for my strategic affiliate marketing plan to work, there were 3 criteria that the products and services had to fit into. Number one, I had to promote higher ticket products with higher commissions. For example, 30% commission on $100 is a lot less than 30% commission on $1,000. So the more expensive the product or service I was promoting, the more money I could be making passively. The next part of the criteria is that it had to be a product or service that I actually used in my business and liked. It had to be in line with my branding of authenticity. It had to be raw, it had to be honest. In the past, I've done affiliate marketing and people knew that like if I didn't like something, I would keep it real and say the things I didn't like about products and services. So that was huge. It had to be something that I actually believed in. And the third criteria is that I had to diversify. I could not put all of my affiliate marketing eggs into one basket. I'd seen people do this in my former niche of teaching English online. If you've scrolled on my page long enough, you've seen that that was my old niche. And if you're from that community, you're the real OG. Okay, let me know if you're here from back in the day. But I would watch teachers for these English teaching companies like only make content on one company, and then they'd almost become like the face of the company. And then when the company would do something sketchy or that person would do something sketchy, they would like intermingled. And now I don't plan on doing anything sketchy, but I don't want my name to be associated with a company that I don't have full control over, who maybe has ideas or values or morals that don't fit mine. So I need to diversify. Also, diversifying allows me to make more passive income. Why promote just one company when I could promote numerous companies and be making affiliate marketing from all of them, right? Of course you would do that, of course. So now that I had my 3 criteria of high ticket products that I actually used and diversified, then I had to make a list of all of the products and services that we're using that would fit under this category. Now, something that I was already using was a course software. I was using Kajabi, and I'd switched over from Teachable to Kajabi, and I'd made over 6 figures running that course in Kajabi, and I'd made money in Teachable too. So I had some experience in different softwares, and I thought, okay, well, these are high ticket products that I like, that I could speak on, and that I have credibility in because I've made money on them. But I couldn't just make videos on one company. I had to diversify, and so I did loads of research on other course softwares that I could be talking about as well. I pulled my audience. I asked people what course softwares they were using. I looked into them. I also tried to diversify in the course softwares I was looking at in terms of like who they were for, people who liked gamification or people who were really into community building. And I tried to get different price points because I knew that that was going to be a big factor on what people bought as well. Now for you, it may not be course software, but it could be something like hiking gear or hair products or health products, sales software, gaming setups, literally whatever it is. Make a list of all of the things that you are using and see what could you credibly speak on that you are using that's more high ticket. So once I had picked all the products that I thought I could review and be an affiliate for, I had to double check that they actually offered affiliate programs. And if I had a company that I liked, but I checked them out, went onto their website, usually when you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see where you can apply for their affiliate program. If they didn't have one, then usually I would just be like, okay, well, I'm dropping that company and I'll find something that is equal and similar and perhaps even better that has a commission where I can then promote them instead. Now that I had my solid list, I was ready for part 2 of the plan. Now, part 2 of my plan was to build out a well-oiled funnel. Now, in the past, when people would start talking about funnels, my brain would just be like, whoosh, I'm not here. But let me tell you, the funnel was one of the most important parts of my plan, and I had to be very strategic about it because what I needed to do was create really helpful content for my audience who was trying to make buying decisions between different softwares or products and get them to trust my opinion, use my affiliate links where I make a commission, but also eventually trust me enough to buy into me when I was ready to sell my own product or course or service again, that I had an audience that was willing to trust me and buy into me in whatever way when I was ready to. What's the number one way to sell people on your online products and services? Is to have direct access to their inbox through email. Email marketing is insane. You need emails, okay? I needed emails. So in order to get people's emails, I needed some sort of a freebie or opt-in. And so I really sweetened the pot. I said, okay, how can I take this next level to really incentivize people to use my affiliate link and also give me their email address? So I said, what is an outcome that my audience for sure wants that fits this niche? And I said, okay, well, I know if I'm selling course software that people are wanting to make at least $10,000 in course sales. And that's something that I had definitely done before. So I said, boom, okay, I'm going to make the 0 to 10K course roadmap. Now, very important tip for you if you're going to do something like this, if you're going to give away something, you need to give it a good name and make the outcome of what it is that you're offering a part of the name. Do you see that? The 0 to 10K course roadmap? Like, who wouldn't want to download that? So I told people, hey, if you use my affiliate link, I'll give you free access to this mini course. Once you get access to that, boom, they're in my email and I'm ready to integrate them into nurturing emails and eventually sell them into any of my products and services. So my current funnel was having my YouTube video where then people could learn about a product or service, make a wise buying decision, use my affiliate link to buy that product and service. Because I use my affiliate link, they get free access to my mini course. Boom, I have their email address and then I can set them up in a nurturing email sequence. And then boom, when I'm ready to sell them onto my next thing or my next community event or whatever it may be, they are in the email pipeline. Now, the third part of my strategy was actually taking all of these things and putting it in motion. I had to create extremely high value content that offered something better than what everybody else was offering. And so what did I do? I deep dived into these course softwares and I made a video reviewing the top 7, I think it was 10, I think it was 7 course softwares of the year. And I made it more detailed, more behind the scenes, more helpful in my mind, better than any other videos that were out there. It was exactly what I would have wanted if I were making a buying decision when it came to course software. And I put it out there using SEO optimization. Now, if you don't know what that is, you have got to watch this video where I teach literally my exact SEO strategy that's going to teach you how to show up in YouTube search engine. SEO is search engine optimization, where you can have your video then show up when people search for it when they're trying to decide to buy something. So let's say for you, you've decided on products or services in your niche that you want to sell. Think, what are the questions that I asked when I was thinking about buying this thing? So for example, like honest review of blank in, and then insert the year. I almost always look up the year when I'm looking for reviews because I want what's most relevant. Next, this versus that. People are always trying to decide between two different things. So make a video comparing those two products or services that people are trying to decide between. Best blank for insert your niche. So like best vlogging camera for YouTubers, or best gaming chair for gamers. I don't know what the gaming niches are. Okay, you can tell I'm not a gamer. You get what I'm saying. You catch the drift. Okay. So I created high value videos, I SEO optimized them, and then my funnel was alive. Now, since posting that video, I have replaced my income already this year that I didn't make from my course using affiliate marketing. It has brought in tens of thousands of dollars, thousands of new email subscribers, and built up my credibility. I will say I've gone a little bit too hard on Kajabi. I love their software, so I review it a lot. But this next year, I'm really planning on diversifying into more things because again, it's super important that you are not putting all your eggs in one basket and that you are diversifying. And so if I could just give myself a critique, that would be it if you're looking at my channel. Just know that's a critique of mine. But I built up my funnel in a way where now when I'm ready to sell my own things or have my own fun lives or community things, I'm still building that up and I have direct access to my community through their email and I'm making affiliate income. It's awesome, and it's way less work than running a course. And don't get me wrong, I love running my course, but life got really crazy, and I can't tell you how much more flexible my life has become. My husband and I, we went on a 5-week honeymoon, and I barely had to work because my videos were just already making me money, especially the ones that are highly optimized in this way. Like, I'm telling you, this video, if you apply these things, is life-changing. Like, this is so good. This is so many golden nuggets. All right, well, if this video was helpful for you, it's so helpful for me. If you give it a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe. And Henry and I say goodbye. Bought this at Costco the other day. It's nowhere near Christmas time, but it's never too early, right? So see you next video. Bye. Let me know if you have any questions about affiliate marketing. I'm happy to answer them. All right, see you next time. Don't forget to check out the SEO video.